These are the reinforcements?
Yep.
Are these even good men?
Relatively.
Even in Africa, gentlemen, we haven't seen such luxuries. But the luxury that we have now is like we can't stop making money. So, my uncle, the prince, and we did...
Which prince is that?
I decide to extend the opportunity for frugal soldiers...
Which prince? Hey, Sultan, Angora, Minx, Kashmir. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Gentlemen, excuse me 1 second.
Bar.
You bugger. I've been greasing those peacocks all night and you could... Oh my goodness gracious. That's a work of art.
Samir, Diana, Samir.
Hi, Diana, you can call me Sammy, please.
Sammy.
Samir, I wouldn't do that if I were you. Samir's a top undercover man. He can talk the skin off the cat in as many languages as you can.
A mí no me parece tan impresionante.
Tú lo eres para mí. Tus ojos son tan suaves como tus sonrisas.
Archie, nirienchen kaswa, nisya yashema.
Ijuania ha, gunya.
Alois te sukraten Helenis tirapsoten.
Oh, you're done. Where's Charlie?
Le voilà.
At least this Charlie is good with his fists.
That's not Charlie. That's Charlie.
Stephen! May God put a flower upon your head, son. Good to see you.
So what were you fighting about?
I mistook his glass for mine. It happens.
This man is no fighter.
Charlie is an expert marksman. Means he shoots people.
From very far away.
They never know what hit them.
So how do you know who you kill if you can't see their face?
I don't. Trust me, it's better that way.
You fight without honor.
Who gets paid for honor? No?
So, what's the job, boss?
2 days tops. We need the supplies and passage to Belgium.
What's the going rate?
Better be a good pay.
Yeah, well, here's the thing. I told you it was gonna be quick, and there's a lot to be gained by this. So, it's for a great cause. Freedom, friendship. Ending the war, friendship.
Okay, you have no money.
No.
Tout ce dont j'ai besoin, c'est d'une photo de votre joli visage.
Tu n'auras pas besoin de photos. Je viens avec toi.
What? What is this?
Yeah, we're gonna drop her off at the front.
Dropping her off?
Yeah.
Listen, sweetheart, I'm not going to get myself killed helping a wee lassie out of a ditch, you know what I mean?
Here's a little thief now. We don't need your kind around here.
I'm both frightened and aroused.